In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect up your MantisProperty account to Campaign Agent and how the integration actually works. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account, go into Preferences, then Third-Party Integrations, and then Campaign Agent Integration. That will then bring you to this screen which detects whether your account is set up with Campaign Agent or not. As you can see here, it says that your Pay Now gateway is not set up, so you just need to click on Learn More. This then brings up a screen explaining what Campaign Agent is, and you can connect it to your account by clicking Connect Your Account Today. Here you select whether you're an existing Campaign Agent account holder or not. So if you click Yes, that will take you to this Campaign Agent login screen where you can log in and it'll connect it up to your existing account. If you don't currently have a Campaign Agent account, just click No, and this will take you through the application process to create your Pay Now Gateway account with Campaign Agent. Once your account has been set up, it will display this message here saying the Pay Now Gateway is set up. If you click the More Information link, then it will tell you what actual account is connected up to your MantisProperty account. So that's all you need to do to integrate with Campaign Agent. Now, do a quick run through of how Campaign Agent actually works. So the way it works is in your listings, in your expenses, you can connect up Campaign Agent to your expenses to then create vendor-paid advertising that's linked up to Campaign Agent. So I'm just going to go into an existing listing that we have. And then just go into the Expenses tab. As you can see on this screen, we've got a couple of expenses set in here, and then it shows you a Campaign Agent window here. This will show up only if your Campaign Agent account is connected up, as per the preferences screen earlier in this video. To create a vendor payment, all you need to do is click on Add Vendor Payment. This will automatically pass through all of the expenses and other information about the property and the vendor to Campaign Agent. So it's automatically populated all of this information, including the agent details, the payment details of the amount, the start date, the property address, and you simply put in the vendor's details here of who you want to send that payment to. If you've set up a vendor in your listing, then this will automatically be populated too. And you can upload any documents that you need to and click Send Payment Request. Once you've done that, it'll automatically pop up with this information here, which shows you the details of the Campaign Agent funding for this particular property. So here we can see that it's been sent off and it's waiting for the vendor, and that the email is being sent to this person. When you close that screen, you'll see it automatically updates down here anything to do with Campaign Agent for this listing, and it's showing that this amount is set up with Campaign Agent and the status is it's waiting for the vendor. If you click on it, then you can see all the details of that. You can also add extra vendor payments if you want to. You can also access documents, emails, and notes related to the Campaign Agent. So that's how Campaign Agent integrates in with MantisProperty. As you can see, it's quite easy. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.